Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making a delightful low-carb and keto treat. Coconut cream cheese cupcakes. These are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without the guilt. Let's get started. In a medium-sized bowl, crack in 2 eggs. Add in your favorite stevia sweetener and vanilla powder. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined. You can find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Next, we'll add our finely ground coconut. This will give our cupcakes a beautiful texture and flavor. Follow that with cream cheese to make the batter nice and creamy, and don't forget the baking powder to help our cupcakes rise. Mix everything well until you have a smooth, consistent batter. Pour the batter into cups, placing them on a microwave plate. Make sure not to fill them too high, as they will rise. Pop them into the microwave for 3 minutes. Keep an eye on them as microwave times may vary. Now let's prepare a delicious topping. In a small bowl, combine cream cheese, ground cinnamon, stevia sweetener, and sugar-free peanut butter. Mix them together until well combined, then apply it on top of the cupcakes, followed by a sprinkle of coconut. And there you have it, delicious coconut cream cheese cupcakes with a rich and creamy topping. Perfect for a low-carb treat. Thanks for joining us today on Heaven's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Don't forget to check the description for the full recipe and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any variations you'd like to see. See you next time.